Hello YouTube, this is Mersky and welcome back to my channel. So ngayong araw na to, pupunta kami ng Sunshine Resort dito sa Siquijor. So, yeah, I'll just punta tayo doon and I'll tour you around. So, I'm actually now waiting for the pet cab driver to arrive. Kasi magpa-pedicab kami papunta doon kasi mainit. As you can see. Ang ganda talaga dito sa Siquijor. Super quiet. Tapos, kahit mainit na hangin. Okay, so mamaya na lang. Sige, ikaw kuan.
Ano po kayo kayo?
Oh, dili ka, okay.
Ay, kayo po eh. Diba? Beach.
Wala itong 1.5 dito.
Wala yung kapay.
Wala dili kakadakpan na diri. So we are here now. This is the place. It's very quiet kasi walang tao. Kami lang. Dalawa lang kami. Hi, future husband. Hi, future husband. Wala siya sa mood.
Sakit lang.
Baliw yan. Okay. Aray. Punta kami sa kabilang isla. Malayo pala yung pupunta namin. So yeah. Okay, so mag-room tour ako. So by the way, this is wait lang. This is the look of the area. And then ito yung this one is our room. Okay, so pasok tayo. When you enter, this is the receiving area. Bakit ko ba tinatawag niya receiving area? Basta dito yung pinto, pagbukas mo. Ayan, kwarto na siya agad. This room is actually worth 1,500 and it's not worth it. Pasensya na. Ayan. Tapos meron ka lang maliit na TV, may aparador. And this is the look of the CR. Ay, sorry! Pasensya na. Ayan. Tapos may pa mirror dyan. Ganda no? 1.5. Ganda. Okay, so gabi na. And here's the update. We are chilling out here sa pool area ng resort. So, this is the view. Ayan. Actually, it's really very quiet here and it's a promising resort. Although yung, like I have mentioned sa sa pag-enter nyo, hindi masyadong maganda. I'm sorry. Hindi masyadong maganda yung rooms. But the resort is really very promising. So, I'll just update you later if meron pang events. But yeah, that's it. This is actually the pool area. Ayan. And if you turn around, that's the beach. Ang ganda. Hi! So, kakarating lang namin galing sa Sunshine Resort. And as you can see, madilim na. Dito ako sa kwarto. Or sa room na bali office to ng friend ko. Tapos dito ako nag-stay right now. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching my vlog. So, hanggang sa susunod na vlog ulit. And I'll see you again. Hopefully, makagawa na tayo ng makeup tutorial. Kasi Dora Explorer yung atin yung ngayon. So, yung mga vlogs na lang muna. Alright, so if you wanna visit Siquijor, just go go ahead and visit. Alright, have a wonderful day. Ciao.